YouTube. So I told you guys I would explain to y'all about how you could actually see a fart. Well, right now you're looking at my puppy Luke. The other day he was not feeling so good. He had the runs. Basically, he had a very upset tummy, and well, apparently, if you have a very upset tummy and it's like 20 degrees outside, and you're having diarrhea and let a fart rip in the middle of it, apparently it's just the right scenario to produce a fart cloud. So the other day, poor baby was taking a poop, let one rip, and then all of a sudden I seen this actual steam cloud come out from his ass. So I've literally seen a fart. Like, it looked like something you see in the cartoons where the little stink cloud comes out, rolling, following the person around. Poor thing was giving me the look like, I cannot believe you are laughing at this. This is not funny. Stop laughing at me. But at any rate, so the one with the green collar is Luke. That's his sister Leia. They came from the same litter. This is the big brother Scooby, who's being shitty over his bone right this second. He does not like to share. And then this one over here, this is Missy. Missy was found out on Route 168. She was only 4 months old and had worms and was emaciated and was not getting fed good and was dehydrated, and we got bad reports, and she's going to show her butt now. As you can see, she's not even afraid of Mr. Luke. As small as she is, she's just fearsome. But, at any rate, I just want to share the little story of how you can actually see a fart. So, if any of y'all are actually going to try it, I would recommend, if you're going to try it, do it yourself. Bare ass, out in really cold weather, you might actually be able to pull it off. I don't know if you need to actually necessarily have diarrhea, but, I don't know if it's like one of the things like where you see your breath and stuff like that when it's cold enough. But apparently, yes, if it is cold enough, bare-assed, try it out. You never know what you might find out. But also, check out our merchants. God damn it. Check out our merch. It's on whipassracing.myshopify.com. We got all kinds of cool stuff. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.